Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. And it's Christmas here at Fire Mountain. I want to show you these great Christmas earrings that are inspired by the Bohemian movement. So these are boho inspired Christmas earrings. To make these, I'm going to start off with this fancy spiral head pin, a couple of different sizes of glass pearl, an antique brass eye pin, a nice fancy antique brass bead, a jump ring, and a leverback ear wire. Looks complicated, super simple. First thing to do is to put this glass pearl onto this head pin. You'll find that these glass pearls are not always perfect for fitting on there because the hole has a bit of flash around it and it won't fit. So what I do then, grab my handy dandy bead reamer. It is just a little bit of excess color there, so it's really easy to just put the tip of the bead reamer in, rotate it a few times to make sure that that hole is cleared out. You can see I'm leaving dust on my little pad here. There we go. Now that should fit right on that head pin. There we go. Muchly better. Then make a simple loop. I start by making a 90-degree bend back against my thumbnail, like that. Then I trim that off to just the perfect length. If it's not perfect, you can always modify a little later. But I always make sure I don't let that piece of wire fly into my neighbor's face. And using my round nose pliers, grab the end, roll it part way back, reposition my pliers, and roll it the rest of the way back. Oh, I did good this time. I want the loop to be parallel with my spiral, so I do double check to make sure that that's lined up right. By looking down above, I can see my loop is parallel with the spiral. Excellent. Now for the main body, take the eye pin, put on a glass pearl. These holes should be big enough for this eye pin. There we go. This beautiful brass bead, another glass pearl, and again with a simple loop. Just folding that back along my thumbnail, 90-degree bend, trim it off. And notice I'm always putting the flush end toward my working part of this wire, because if I put it this way, I'd make a V-shaped cut on my working end. I don't want that. I want a flush cut. So I'm going to put that end toward my working side. Trim that off. Make the loop. Part way back, reposition, roll it the rest of the way. There we go. That one's not very good. I don't like that one. It looks too much like a 9. That doesn't make me happy. There we go. I like that better. Okay, so now just assemble these parts together. So I'm going to use the jump ring. Open it up. Attach the spiral unit. Attach the bead unit and close it. Take my ear wire, open up that little loop, and put the whole assembly on there. And close it. And there you have a pair of very simple Bohemian styled Christmas earrings. Thanks for joining me here at Fire Mountain Gems. All these products are available at firemountaingems.com. Hope to see you there. Happy beading and Merry Christmas.